Hey, welcome back to That'll Do Garage. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be working on a wheel cleaner test. I've always kind of wondered, is elbow grease and a hose good enough to clean a wheel? Or do you actually need some of the giant pile of products that are out there that claim to make your life easier and solve all your problems in a can, right? Here's what we're working with today. F350 Super Duty 2001, prettiest truck in the land. Check that out. I'm pretty sure these wheels have never been cleaned. Brake dust, mud, I don't know, maybe even rust. I have no idea. They're pretty bad. So, I don't know, ignore all the rust holes and different color paint. Let's clean the wheels. So Super Clean was nice enough to send me a care package, and they included this wheel cleaner product that's specially formulated for brake dust and dirt, that sort of thing. We're going to give that a shot. And the instructions here say just spray it on, give it 30 seconds, and extremely dirty wheels, agitate with a brush. So what we're going to do a comparison here. Front wheel, we're going to just wash with a brush and a hose, no product. And the rear wheel, we're going to follow the directions, right? We're going to spray this on, give it 30 seconds, spray it off, see what it looks like. I'll check it out. Obviously the wheels are in terrible shape, right? But you can see there's still plenty of dirt there. This is just kind of embedded in the rim. Not too wild about that. I think I'm gonna have these wheels reconditioned somehow if I'm gonna make this a pristine show rig. But anyway, most of the dirt came off, but definitely not all of it. So I don't know. Let's let's give that like a 7 out of 10. Like, most of it's gone, but not all of it. Let's check out the back now. All right, this is the rear wheel, and you can tell very similar starting point, right? Tons of dirt, brake dust, nasty stuff. So now we'll put the Super Clean product on there, give it 30 seconds, scrub it with a brush, do basically the same thing we did up there, and see if they look the same. Well, I'm definitely impressed. That seemed like the grease was easier to come off. I had to scrub for less time, put a little less elbow grease into this one. So it's definitely helping, right? Like, it's not making it a cakewalk, but it's making it dissolve easier. This one still has plenty of pitting, and I mean, this actually seems like rust, like my nail catches on it. So that's, I don't know, this wheel is in horrible shape. But I'm pretty happy with the little boost that Super Clean gives it. I do think it made it, I don't know, 20% easier. Good news, found 2 wheels on the other side. This one we're gonna try an even more aggressive test. I'm just gonna spray it on, leave it, and then hose it off. We'll see what it does. Well, I gotta tell you, I think I'm genuinely impressed. It's been about a minute. You can see we're just about running out of foam here. A lot of dirt on the ground. And you can see how much dirt, just truckloads of dirt are coming down in the foam. So I imagine I could go through a whole bottle on this wheel, but I would never have to touch it. I have not put 1 ounce of elbow grease on this. So let's give it a rinse and see what it looks like. Wow. I feel like it looks better than the other side. Like my elbow grease approach is just making it worse. Well, now I'm gonna have to do the back one the same way and see what it looks like. Okay, before I go do that rear final wheel, this is our comparison, right? This is the passenger side front. So this one, I did a whole bunch of elbow grease and no cleaner. And you can see how there's like residue here? It's kind of nasty. I didn't see that before. Now that the wheel's dry, it's like I just pushed the dirt around. This one, this is still a little bit wet, but it doesn't have that same film on it. But I did scrub that one. And this one over here now is literally just spray it on, wait a minute, spray it off. I'm super impressed. Let's see if I can duplicate the results on my rear wheel. Alright, recap. Just elbow grease, no cleaner. Still has the residue, but you know, better. This one was elbow grease and cleaner, so no residue, but not perfect, right? I mean, these wheels are in terrible shape. But here's what I'm excited about, you guys. I can't believe this. I never get excited about stuff like this because I don't believe it when I hear it, but these two wheels I literally did not touch. I just sprayed it on, waited a minute, and hosed it off. And look at that. It is like 1,000,000,000% better. I'm really excited about that. I love being lazy. I love when products work, you know, and they do a good job. Really makes me happy. So you're going to want to pick up some of this stuff. I believe it's at Walmart and auto parts stores. It's all over the place. You can get on their website too. Well, hey, that's going to do it for today. I'm super excited about this product. I can't believe it worked that well. I mean, stuff usually doesn't work as good as you want it to, right? So I'm really impressed with that. Super Clean's wheel cleaner product. Check it out at superclean.com, Walmart, auto parts stores. They're out there. Anyway, thanks for watching.